Hi, I'm Rosalie and I'm an artist, and I'm going to show you how to draw updo wedding hair. So an updo is just that. It's a hairstyle where your hair is up off your neck, and it is popular for weddings and formal events to have this hairstyle. So I'm drawing a profile of a woman's face just to put the hair on. So there's her neck. She's sort of leaning forward, like bowing her head just a little bit. There's her eyebrow. There's her eye. Her eye's a little bit closed. And there's her ear. All right, so that's where the hair's going to go on. Now this hairstyle has bangs, this particular one. There's a lot of different kinds. And then there's a curl here. It comes down, or a tendril. Okay, and it's all very smooth and sleek because it's been styled for a wedding, which is an important event for photos. And so it comes around here. There might be a little ornament, let's say a flower. I'm going to put in a flower hair ornament with like maybe something like that, you know, just a little ornament there. And it's also where the updo, maybe they hide the clips to hold the updo. So I'm drawing the back of it in. And here's where the hair is. It's all twisted around. So, and you can draw that by just making curving lines to suggest where the hair is just twisting around. So it's just coming up from there. And then there's the crown of the head. And that's where the bangs come out. And then I'm just filling in the texture. There could even be more tendrils. Sometimes there's like deliberate little curls, just to make it more romantic looking, sort of Renaissance look. All right. And that is how I draw updo wedding hair.